And we're keeping an eye on oil prices as well this morning following a big move by OPEC Plus to slash output by 2 million barrels a day beginning in November, exceeding market expectations and incurring the wrath of the Biden White House. For more on this, let's welcome in Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferré. And we got a little bit of a surprise yesterday. And as we've been talking about, now OPEC Plus has already not been able to fulfill its quota. So they said this is really just a cut of about 1 to 1.1 million barrels per day. That's still a lot, Ines.
Yeah, that is. It's significant. It's a significant cut. And one takeaway is that OPEC Plus must be concerned about a worldwide recession in order to be making such a cut. Goldman Sachs came out with a forecast, an updated forecast, saying that oil could reach $110 a barrel in Q4, also $115 a barrel by the end of the first quarter of 2023. And if these cuts are sustained through December of 2023, then these elevated prices would remain elevated. I mean, the only thing that could bring it down is really demand destruction at this point. Now, during the financial crisis, Jared, between 2008, 2009, oil prices, those had peaked at $145. They came all the way down to $35 a barrel in 5 months' time. Andy Lippo of Lippo Associates is saying basically that, look, they must be worried in order for them to be doing this. It also shows you that the U.S. dollar has also been having a huge impact on these oil prices.
And we've also seen some rumblings or heard them that the Biden White House would also consider another release from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, that's the SPR. We saw that take place and be in effect earlier this year. I think those purchases or those releases have now concluded. But what about the possible effects of any new releases from the SPR?
Yes, well, certainly that would have a short-term sort of effect, like we've seen with gasoline prices, as we've seen those gasoline prices coming lower. But one interesting point also about this OPEC Plus decision is it kind of also shows you the waning influence of the U.S. because this is as much as it is about demand and supply as it is also political in a way as well. And the sort of relationship between Saudi Arabia and Russia and the sort of waning influence that the U.S. is having on the cartel as well.
Yeah, and I'd add the most important influence the U.S. has on the cartel is the fact that WTI and most global oil is quoted in U.S. dollars. So a huge investment, I would guess you would say, to protect right there. Thank you for that, Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferré.